Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial. So we already know how to set up the environment, and I already have discussed that what we are going to make in the web application. So now let's see that how we are going to use Eclipse in order to create that web application. If you look at the screen, you can see that I already have the application created, that is J104, but I would like to show you that how to create it from the scratch. So now let's go to File and then click on New and then come to Other and just see that there is the dynamic web project already selected. But if it is for some reason doesn't come or doesn't show up over here, you can just type over here dynamic web project. Okay, so dynamic web project, and that is coming up in the screen. So if you select that and click on Next, so you have to give your project name at this point. So let's say we are going to give it at test1. So this is going to be my project. That is what I'm going to make. Okay, so after that project name, you can see that this is a web module version of 3.0 and the configuration is default configuration. Okay, so we are going to keep everything as it is, and then if we click on Next, let me make it clear. Okay, alright, so if we click on Next, at this point you can see that there is a directory src. So what does it mean? It means that all the Java files of this or the servlets that will be coming to this directory. This is my source directory, and you can see at the bottom is the default output folder is build classes. So that means all the Java classes or the servlet classes or servlet files will be converted to .class files, and those will be saved over here. So now if you look at over here, you can see that I have my project J104, and then over here is Java resources, and then this is the source directory, and under that source directory I have created all the packages and classes. Okay, so all the source files will be coming under the src directory, and your build will be over here. So now if we go to the next page, you can see that this is the context root. The context root is test1. So that means if you put that HTTP localhost port number and then slash, then you have to put this test1. So this is the actual directory where we are saving everything, and this is the content directory is web content. So if we come over here, okay, if we go at the bottom side, then we can see that the web content, and under that we are going to have all our the JSP files and JavaScript files. Okay, so if you click on finish, then that will create our web project. Okay, so I'm not going to create this project because I already have one over here, J104, but it is just to show you that how we are going to make the web project. So now if I'm going to cancel, and if you look at over here, that this is the web content, and over here I have the JSP pages. Now another thing I would like to tell you that if you look at my src folder, you can see like there are a few packages, and under those packages I have created or I have put my Java files or controller files. We have to organize our src folder in such a way through the packages that each of the package should be grouped by the same functionality of servlets or Java files. So for example, I have put all the controllers over here under the com.controller, and I have put the database related files over here under com.dao, and I have a listener that is under com.listener package, and I have few models, and these models are coming as com.model. Okay, so that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you.